Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to use Harpa AI Chrome extension. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. For us to begin here, what you can do is go to your web browser and search for harpa.ai. And you can click on the first link and you will be routed into the homepage here, where Harpa is actually a Chrome extension that you can install or add into your extensions on your Google account or any web browser you have, where this actually is for free. This is just an extension that would help you, or that you can use AI to any website you have, so that you will be guided, or so that you will have a guide or a co-pilot in every website that you will encounter. For example, you will be creating a caption for a Facebook post, or whether you are trying to create a report, you can definitely use the Harpa AI extension for that. So here what you can do is just click on add to Chrome, and then you will be routed into the Chrome's web store. And then what you can do is that you can actually look into the overview, what the information and what are the features of this extension. And once done, what you can do is actually just click to add to Chrome, this one, and you will be able to add this into your Google Chrome web browser. You just need to wait for it to fully load. And once it has been fully added, you can actually um, look into the Harpa website, and it will inform you that the AI agent, which is the Harpa AI, is now installed into your account. So what you can do here is you can simply type in on your, you can go to any website you have and then type in on your keyboard Alt plus letter A, and the extension will pop up. So like this one here. So it's actually connected to your OpenAI account or ChatGPT. So you can simply access the ChatGPT OpenAI using Alt plus A in your keyboard. So from here, you can search or ask GPT to do for you, or write a poem for you, depending on what comes in handy, or if you want GPT to write a caption for a specific image, or just a inspirational quote, depending on what type of um, question or what type of information you'd like agent AI, or you'd like Harpo AI to help you with. So you can actually browse into more details about what this can do for you, and basically this actually will provide you to any website that you will go to. So you can just simply type in Alt plus A into your keyboard, and it will provide you options. And as you can see here, when you type in forward slash into your keyboard, while typing in a prompt, it actually offers you a lot of features or other AI assisted tools that you can work here, that would help you depending on what you want to do. So you have marketing or production, you have copywriting, learning, recruiting, spreadsheets, engineering. There's a lot of informations that Harpa AI can definitely help you with. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to use Harpa AI as a Chrome extension. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.